Hello all. In my previous video, I introduced a roadmap from artificial intelligence to Gen AI to agentic AI. This video is a 6-month study plan that will actually help you to become a Gen AI engineer or an agentic AI engineer. So you need to spend at least 10 hours a week for becoming the same. Before getting into the 6-month study plan, let me introduce the fundamental skills that you need to acquire for actually becoming an AI engineer. These are the core skills that actually you need. So you need to focus on Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. They are not new. NumPy offers a very comprehensive mathematical function, number generators, linear algebra routines, and much more. Pandas is very powerful and easy to use tool that actually helps you to analyze your data. It's like a manipulation tool. Matplotlib is a library that will enable you to create static animations and interactive visualizations in Python. You can maybe try classification, regression, and clustering in scikit-learn. Coming to actual mathematics for AI, these three are very important. You need to have core knowledge in linear algebra, especially vectors, matrices, and eigenvalues. Very importantly, probability and statistics, Bayes theorem, associated distributions, calculus, derivatives, and gradients. Again, basics of machine learning, not restricted to these, which include supervised and unsupervised learning, common models like regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. You can try any Python crash course in YouTube or maybe Coursera or Udemy. Desenroth's Mathematics for Machine Learning textbook is an excellent textbook. The actual textbook focuses on linear algebra, vector calculus, analytical geometry, probability distribution, matrix decomposition, and even optimization. It also deals with central machine learning problems. My favorite is Coursera's Andrew's machine learning course. Maybe at this stage, after getting the fundamental skills, you can try projects like building a chatbot using GPTs or training a text summarizer or generating images with diffusion. You can even use resources like the Illustrator Transformer. It is a blog by Jay Alamar, a very good 2025 updated. You can try Hugging Face course of Transformers, and you can even learn papers from reputed research journals that includes attentions and diffusion probabilistic models. The next type of skill that you have to acquire is related to AI that creates actual new content, which is nothing but Gen AI. The key topics include neural network basis, like multi-layer perceptron, convolution neural network, recurrent neural networks, and transformers and attention mechanisms, including BERT, GPTs, and LLMs. Also, very importantly, text generation and image generation like language models, prompt engineering, fine tuning, GANs and the variants of GANs and diffusion models. You can try various YouTube tutorials, Coursera, and Google courses for mastering these concepts. So after mastering these concepts, you can try projects that includes creating personal AI research assistant that actually browses the web. You can even try autonomous data analyst bot that queries and visualizes data. Also, AI task manager with calendar integration. So these are portfolio projects or must try projects. Maybe you can try after mastering the key topics that are given. Moving on to key topics to understand and master agentic AI, you can spend more amount of time in these key topics. Very important. Language chains and Llama index for AI agents, memory in AI agents, tools, planning and reasoning, the actual React framework, and the chain of thought prompting. Also multi-agent systems and how they collaborate, and AI ethics and safety measures. So you can use resources like YouTube tutorials and the language chain documents. You can even try Google's research papers on React frameworks. Also, very popular is the OpenAI function calling examples. Finally, bringing them together, you are trying to build a Gen AI plus Agentic AI hybrid model. Please try these two. This will definitely help you to acquire good experience. Number one is an AI agent that actually writes an article and posts it in a blog automatically. So you are now building both. Number two is an AI that generates research summary and finds related papers online. So these two must-try projects will enable you to understand and collaborate the hybrid model. Advanced futuristic skills include CLIP, Flamingo, and GPT recent versions, reinforcement learning for agents, and fine-tuning and LoRa for domain-specific Gen AIs. Low rank adaptation will definitely help you in fine tuning and modifying and manipulating the same. Finally, ethics, safety measures, and alignment techniques in AI is again very important. Coming to the actual month-wise plan, month one, it's your solid foundation. Your focus area should be Python, linear algebra, probability and statistics, and machine learning basis. So do these three simple mini projects. Number one is use linear regression to predict house prices. Number two is use the iris dataset to classify flowers. Number three is use the MINIS dataset to recognize digits. These three are classical examples which will make you more familiarized with the machine learning basis. Diving into month two will be the deep learning basis. Your focus areas should be feed-forward neural networks, backpropagation, CNNs for images, RNNs for sequences, and learn PyTorch basics too. Try these three projects. Number one is try to implement a convolution neural network for image classification. Maybe you can try with the CIFAR-10 dataset. Also try an RNN for textual sentiment analysis. Getting into month three will be Gen AI mastery over text. So the goal is to learn how LLMs work and generate text. You need to understand and master transformers and attention mechanisms, the GPT architecture, prompt engineering, fine-tuning with Hugging Face. So try these three projects. Number one is fine-tune GPT, any version on a small data set. Build a simple question and answer chatbot kind of a thing. You can use Hugging Face transformers. Try to experiment with zero shot and few shot prompts too. Month 4 is Gen AI mastery over images. The goal is to learn image generation with GANs and diffusion models. So you need to understand GANs, the deep convolution GANs and the style GANs. So you need to get familiarized with diffusion models and the pipelines, how image to image and text to image pipelines are actually modeled. Try these projects. Number one is generate favorite anime characters of your choice with style GAN. Very interesting. Number two is run some kind of a diffusion model locally and then customize prompts. Number three includes creating an AI art gallery website. Coming to month 5 is the actual plan for Agentic AI. The goal is to build an autonomous AI system that can act, decide, and learn of its own. Very important focus areas include language chains, Llama Index basics, APIs, databases. Put a lot of time and effort understanding memory and state managements, React frameworks, and multi-agent collaborations. Must-do projects includes these three. Number one is build a research assistant that can search the web and summarize the result. Number 2 is try to create a task automation agent that emails your daily updates. Number 3 is experiment with multiple agents chatting to solve some kind of simple or a complex problem. So once this is done, we can move on to month 6, which is the important part, integration in the portfolio project. So the goal of this month is to combine Gen AI and agentic AI in order to put into some kind of real time stuffs. The focus areas should be multimodal agents again, text, image, speech, all put together. A little bit of safety, alignment, and explainability issues. Explainability is very important for interpretation and validation of your results. Also learn deploying API apps like Streamlit and Gradio. Very important portfolio projects includes these 3. Number 1 is developing a research and writing assistant that actually reads your research papers, generates summaries, and emails them to you daily. Number 2 is autonomous social media AI, which actually creates posts and schedules them automatically. So now you are trying to combine Gen AI and agentic AI. Number 3 is multimodal farm assistant. Maybe you can take some kind of leaf images, detect the diseases, and suggest treatment by logging into a database. So we have finally finished month 6. So these are the 6 months plan that I have for you, and the focus areas and associated project ideas for you. I hope this plan helps you to become a successful AI engineer. Wishing you all the best and good luck. Happy learning. If there's any doubt or comment, please post. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much.